Today, I want to deliver in front of you the characters of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I hope inshallah you will listen to me carefully. Anyone asked to Aisha radiyallahu ta'ala anha about the characters of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Aisha radiyallahu ta'ala anha answered, have you not decided the Holy Quran? Have you not decided the Holy Quran? What in the Holy Quran? These are the characters of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. What in the Quran? These are the good manners of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. What in the Quran? These are the miracles. And Holy Quran bears it that innaka la'ala khuluqin azim. Indeed, you are worthy of praise, full of glory. My blood brothers in Islam, our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was loving everyone. Our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was humbleness, bountiful, compliant, submissive. He hasn't any superiority. He hasn't any arrogance. Our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was loving everyone. He was loving poor man, unwell, old woman, who has money and who has not money, who is big man, who is rich man. Everyone he was loving. Nowadays what we do? We only love who is rich man, who is big man, and who has money. Is it character of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Is it? No, my brothers, no. Our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was accepting the request. Everyone he was accepting the request. Who is unwell, who is poor, who is big man, and who is poor man. Everyone he was accepting the requestation. Nowadays what we do? We only accept who is rich man, who is big man, and who has money. Is it character of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? No, my brothers, no. Our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was helping everyone. He was visiting everyone. And who is unwell, who is poor man, who is rich man, who is big man, who has money, who is old man, who is woman, everyone he was visiting. Nowadays what we do? We only visit who is rich man, who is big man, who has money. Is it character of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Is it? No, my brothers, no. Now I'll make listen you the look of our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So listen to me carefully. Describe him to me. And Muslims, look at the description of your Rasul. For some would be the first time you hear what our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam look like. I saw a man of striking appearance, zahir al-wad'ah, ablaj al-wajh, radiant face, hasan al-khalq, beautifully created, lam ta'ibhu sajla, his belly wasn't protruding, walam tuzri bihi sa'la, nor was his head disproportionate and small, wasimun qasim, proportionate and delicate, finely made, a specimen of a creation, fi aynayhi da'j, and in his there was a contrast. The dark was immensely dark, the white was excessively white, wa fi ashfarihi watf, and his eyelashes were long, wa fi sawtihi sahal, and his voice was a natural echo, wa fi unaqihi sata', and his neck was elegantly long, wa fi sawtihi sahal, and in his voice was a natural echo, wa fi lihiyatihi kathatha, his beard was full and thick. This is Muhammadur Rasulullah. This is Muhammadur Rasulullah. Anas bin Malik says, I came out one night. It was full moon night. He understood it is radiant, it is smooth, it is clear. He says, I came out one night. It was full moon night. I looked at the moon. It is beautiful, it is more handsome. He says, let me see if the moon is more handsome or my Prophet is more handsome. Let me see if the moon is more beautiful or my Prophet is more beautiful. So I went, I saw him standing afar. I looked at the moon, I looked at his face. I looked at the moon, I looked at his face. I looked at the moon, I looked at his face. He says, Wallahi, our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam more handsome, more beautiful than its entirety. My blood brothers, this is just look of your Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I wrap up my speech with a message that it's been a tremendous pleasure to stand here of the days. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day.